part of what we're doing today, order of operations. We've got these 4 steps here. I'm not even going to bother you guys with these because you know a much better way to remember the order of operations, and that would be PEMDAS. And you guys probably remember that means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition, and subtraction. Okay, this was one way to write it. You may have also seen it written like this. Okay, because multiplication and division, you can do those at the same time, you just do them from left to right. Same thing with addition and subtraction. But hopefully this is a review for you. You should know what PEMDAS is. So we're going to use that order of operations, and I'm just going to write it off to the side so we can check them off as we go through. So we got 16 minus 8 divided by 2 squared plus 14. We want to evaluate it, find the value of. So we're going to start with my order of operations. P, parentheses. Do all the parentheses? There are none. Done. Now E, exponents. I do have an exponent, so I'm going to rewrite everything except for the exponent. I'm going to evaluate it. 2 squared is 4 plus 14. And you may be saying, this is really stupid. Why do I have to show all this work? I can just do this in my head. Wonderful, good for you. Still show the work, because you have to be able to show the work like this to show me that you can understand the order of operations. And if you don't understand the order of operations, you're not going to be able to solve the equations, and some of the equations later on in the year get pretty lengthy. So you have to make sure you know order of operations. If you know order of operations, solving equations will not be that tricky. So I did my exponents. Now I can do multiplication and division, and I can do those in any order. Well, I've only got one of those. I've got division, so I'm going to do that. Now here is a common mistake. Okay, people will sometimes forget about this minus sign or the negative sign. Okay, there's 2 ways to think about it. You can either write it down and then just do 8 divided by 4, or you can think of it as being negative 8 divided by 4, and then just put your answer here, positive or negative. I think the easiest way is to just bring down the minus sign and then do 8 divided by 4 kind of in its own little world. Okay, when you do that, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and notice, I get minus 2. If you had put the minus sign with the 8, you would have gotten negative 2, and so it would look exactly the same. Alright, and then we add 14 at the end. So now I've got 16 minus 2 plus 14. I've done my multiplication and my division. Now I just do addition and subtraction. I'm okay if you do addition and subtraction all in one step. 16 minus 2 is 14 plus 14 gives me 28. Once you get down to addition and subtraction, you can do that all in one step if you want to. If you didn't want to, if we would have just done this left to right, according to PEMDAS, we would have done 16 minus 2 and gotten 14 plus 14 and gotten 28. And notice your answer is the same either way you do that problem.